How to set up parental controls on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the end and tap on Set up Screen Time for Family. This is the Family Sharing page. You can share your subscriptions, share purchases, and also set up parental controls from here. Tap on Continue below. Here, tap on Invite Others. You can add up to 5 more people to your family. Or tap on Create Child Account. Child accounts can be created by a parent or legal guardian for children aged 12 or younger. Here, type in the first and last name and add the date of birth. Then, tap on Create Child Account below. Following these steps, you can easily set up parental controls on iPhone.